Hey everybody, it's a Ginger Optimist and this is my husband Tim, and we are on a few day getaway, and so I will not be doing a cooking or DIY video this week, but just thought you might enjoy seeing we're here in Orlando. And what is the name of this place, babe?
You shouldn't ask me. I know it's the Blue Tree Resort.
Blue Tree Resort. We were able to get an amazing deal to stay here, and so just wanted to give a quick hello and tell you what we've been doing. So, sweetie, what's been one of your favorite things we've done these last couple of days?
Well, there's been several things we've done that have been fun. It's just been really nice to get away from everything normal life and relax and play some games and eat at some restaurants that we can't eat at back home.
Yeah. What has been your favorite restaurant that you've ate at this week?
Probably Chewy's Mexican restaurant.
Chewy's. It was really good, but I think I would have to say Uno. I love their cauliflower pizza crust, veggie pizza. It was amazing. It was so good that I've had it twice. Yes, two different days.
That's because you ordered the wrong thing at Chewy's. You should have got their enchiladas. That's what's good.
Yeah, if I would have ordered the enchiladas there instead of the salad, I probably would have enjoyed it a lot more. You're right. So, can I tell about our game playing?
What about it?
Well, my husband, Tim, taught me how to play gin rummy?
Gin rummy.
Gin rummy, and I've never played that before. And the other night, I beat him. It was like 134-0. And then the second game, I beat him like 120-something to 0. So I think you taught me a little too well.
Yeah, but those weren't the only games we played.
No.
I won some too.
Yes, he did. And anyway, so this has been so much fun, and I love being away with you. And so anyway, maybe we'll just give you a few shots of this resort area. So as we come out of our little condominium, what we see right outside of here is a little sand volleyball set. It's really nice. It's a little outdoor chess and checkers set. Here's one of the 4 swimming pools. We're coming up on the family pool, and we've got a jacuzzi as well. On another pool. If you're looking for a nice place to stay in the Orlando area, I recommend this place. It's not fancy, but it's clean. They bring fresh towels and things every day, and it's been great. And if you wait till the very last minute, sometimes you can catch a really great deal. That's what we did. Thank you so much for watching The Ginger Optimist. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and show us some love by hitting that like button. If you're not following me already, I sure hope you will. Have a great rest of your day, my friend, and we'll see you on the next video. God bless. Bye.